Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled in the heart of a lush forest, there lived a young woman named Alena. Alena was known for her kind heart and gentle spirit, but she carried a heavy burden within her. She often felt overwhelmed by the chaos of life and the constant chatter of her mind. One sunny morning, as Alena walked through the forest, she stumbled upon an old, wise sage sitting beneath a towering oak tree. The sage's eyes twinkled with wisdom, and he radiated an aura of tranquility. Curious, Alena approached him and asked, "How do you find such peace in this busy world?" The sage smiled and replied, "My dear Alena, the secret lies in the power of meditation. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let go of all your worries. Find the stillness within you." Alena was intrigued, and she decided to give it a try. She sat down next to the sage, closed her eyes, and began to meditate. At first, her mind was filled with a whirlwind of thoughts and distractions. But with each passing moment, she focused on her breath and allowed the chaos to dissipate. Days turned into weeks, and Alena continued to visit the wise sage, honing her meditation skills. As time passed, she found herself becoming more centered and at peace with herself. The worries that once burdened her heart began to fade away, replaced by a profound sense of serenity. One evening, while meditating by a tranquil pond, Alena experienced a profound revelation. She saw herself as a radiant being of light, connected to the vast universe. She realized that the true power of meditation was not just finding inner peace, but also discovering her inner strength and potential. With newfound clarity and determination, Alena returned to her village. She shared the wisdom of meditation with her fellow villagers, teaching them to find peace within themselves. As more and more people embraced meditation, the village transformed into a haven of tranquility and harmony. Alena's story became legendary, and people from far and wide came to learn from her. She became a beacon of light, guiding others on their journey to inner peace and self-discovery. The once overwhelmed young woman had found her purpose in helping others find the power of meditation. And so, in the quiet village nestled in the forest, Alena's legacy continued to shine brightly, a testament to the transformative power of meditation and the incredible strength that lies within each of us.